Let's play.
Which one has the letter P? Tap it.
P.
Good thinking. Which one has the letter Z? Tap it.
Z.
Good work. Which one has the letter W? Tap it.
W.
Great! Which one has the letter F? Tap it.
F.
Great job! Which one has the letter H? Tap it.
H.
Awesome! Which one has the letter V? Tap it.
V.
Cool beans! Which one has the letter A? Tap it.
A.
Keep it up! Which one has the letter S? Tap it.
S.
Keep up the good work. Which one has the letter D? Tap it.
D.
Nice!